Hello, here's the Hallicrafters SX-117 I'm working on. You can hear it's got a hum. And it only hums when I put it into USB or LSB mode. So, AM, there's no hum. And what's interesting is I've factored this down by taking out every single tube in this sucker except for one, so or two. So if you look at the bottom of this thing, or the top side of it here, all the tubes are out. Every single tube I pulled, okay, it still hums. So I finally found that they have some crazy circuit here where SX-117. So here's a switch that figures out this is the volume control here. This goes either to the AM detector or the product detector for SSB. So when you look at the product detector, that's going to be here. That's the volume control. And you follow that wire down there, that number, well, this wire here. And it goes up to here, and then, you know, there's all this crap. But eventually, this thing seems to attach to 200 volts around here. Anyway, I've traced the wires, and I found this orange wire here. This orange wire, which is the last stage of the power supply, pretty much winds around, ends up right here. And that wire goes to the product detector, and then it goes to this wire here, which is audio, right? Hear it? So it's picking up hum by going through this capacitor from the volume control down through here on to, I think it's pin 5 of the 12VE6 product detector, and then it gets some B plus right there. Anyway, I figured little dinky capacitor here from China. This solves it. So if I look at the source of the B plus, I can put this capacitor right here, and it knocks out there. The hum's gone. See that? So hum. No hum. So I'm going to solder that in there and leave it there. Thank you to the Chinese communists for the capacitor. All right, so SX-117 Hallicrafters, yeah. That's one problem the thing has. It doesn't have good, strong receive audio, but this hum has been irritating, so that gets taken out first. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.